I think Desi Bling accidentally became one of the most honest case studies of modern patriarchy I've seen on reality TV. Because underneath the diamonds, designer clothes, and Dubai glamour, the show is quietly asking one brutal question: what price are women paying for security? You've met all of them. Binda, a woman who appears to have learned that love means service, foot massages, silence, adjustment, and then teaching other women stop fighting, enjoy the perks. Irina, who seems to see everything clearly, but clarity alone does not create freedom, especially when money, stability, and exit routes are fragile. Tejasvi, not being punished for speaking, being punished for noticing, for refusing to normalize disrespect and call it personality. Pamela, a woman stuck in emotional waiting room of someone else's indecision. Close enough to stay, never secure enough to belong. Layli and Elise, critiquing dependence while appearing dependent themselves. A contradiction many of us would struggle to sit with honestly. And then there's the part nobody says out loud, the terror of aging, because women are told their value expires. Men age, women are evaluated. Men become powerful, women become anxious. Funny system. And here's the truth I want women to hear. I do not think these women are stupid. I do not think they are weak. I think many women make deeply rational choices inside deeply unfair systems. Sometimes staying makes sense. Sometimes silence feels safer. Sometimes dependence feels smarter than risk. That doesn't make the system healthy. That makes the adaptation understandable. But understanding something does not automatically make it harmless. And this is where I want to lovingly challenge the women. If your survival strategy teaches younger women to tolerate disrespect, we need to talk. If you tell another woman to shrink because confidence makes you uncomfortable, we need to talk. If you perform empowerment while privately surviving on dependency, we need to talk. Not to shame you, to understand what hurt taught you that this was necessary. Because every woman has a quiet moment, usually alone, usually late at night, where the performance drops and the real question appears: is this it? Is this the love I wanted? Is this the life I chose? And that question, that terrifying, honest question, is usually where healing begins. I'm Shweta Mani, a gold medalist psychologist and founder of the Talking Cure by Shweta Mani. And if no one has told you this lately, security that costs you your voice is expensive. Love that costs you your dignity is expensive. And a cage lined with luxury is still a cage. And you deserve more than survival in beautiful packaging. And when you are ready to ask for more, I'm here.